Welcome to our 16th episode of Financial Literacy Session. I would like to thank you for all our viewers for today, for being with me for the journey for the past 16 weeks. And I'm sure that you are learning a lot. And if yes, feel free to share this FB Live. There's a button share sa baba. Nakita niyo sa left corner, sa baba, sa babaang corner, there's a share button. Feel free to click the share and share it to your FB wall so that your friends can also experience the great learnings that we are having here. Okay, if you're done, you just type done in the chat box. And thank you. So for today, our webinar is entitled No Escape. No escape from what? The reality of life, which is death and taxes. From last week's session, nakita natin na we should not avoid estate taxes. But we need to embrace it, no? Can you follow me like this? Embrace. Can you see me embracing myself, no? Need to embrace. Ang kailangan lang natin gawin is we just need to prepare for it. Yeah, siguro you're thinking, paano? How? So we will talk about this today. Okay, so what makes this FB Live special is that we will discover what is estate tax and how to compute for it. How to hide your assets, yung mga secrets natin yan. And 3 tips on how to prepare for estate tax. Okay, so excited na ba kayo? So type excited in the chat box. Okay, so my name is Sheila Ching-ong, and I help business owners transition wealth harmoniously to the next generation, so that the next generation will have fully enjoy the fruits of their labor without any family conflicts. Okay, so would like to know the audience, how many of you knows how much is your estate taxes? Just type yes in the chat box. Okay. So if yes, ang next question ko, have you prepared for it? So if yes ang sagot niyo sa both answers, it means you are really ready na, prepared na. So if just anything happens, for sure, harmoniously ang pag-transition ng wealth sa inyong heirs, and you will enjoy the fruits of your labor. Okay, thank you. Thank you for that. So now we will define what is estate tax. Okay, so madalas whenever I talk to clients, hi Ellen, thank you for watching. And so madalas whenever I talk to clients, whenever I ask them, do you know what is estate tax? Laging umiiling, hindi sila aware, but we are aware, di ba? Sa ibang taxes like income tax, whenever we earn income, meron tayong withholding tax, VAT, yan. So nakasama yan sa mga daily things na ginagawa natin whenever we purchase anything, purchase food, purchase clothes, laging may VAT, di ba? May taxes. Whenever we earn income, may income tax, and sometimes may withholding tax. Yeah, so lahat ng galaw natin sa mundong ito, natatax tayo. And also when we pass away, before pa ma-transition yung ating mga properties hi Ate Sansan, thank you for watching. Before we transfer yung ating mga properties sa ating heirs, na estate tax din tayo. So sa every move, whatever we do, natatax tayo. So what is estate tax? So this is tax na charge sa atin ng BIR sa ating net value of our estate. Okay, so if somebody pass away, lahat ng properties niya before ma-transfer, net value of the estate, tinatax tayo. Okay, so how do we get this net value of estate? So we need to hi Oliver, thank you for watching. We need to identify gross estate, our gross estate. And then we need to less all the deductibles. Okay. And so first step, we need to identify all our assets ililist daw natin yan. Okay, so what are these? No? These are real estate, mga properties, diba? Mga jewelries. Okay, so merong mga tangible, may intangible. Okay, so this refers to all properties here in the... Hi, Miss Eva. Thank you for watching. So lahat ng na-acquire natin here in the Philippines. Okay, so once na-list down natin yan, katumbas, no, siguro we can imagine an Excel sheet, no? So left side, all the assets that you have. On the right side, you need to know what is the market value. So if ever you want to sell it today, how much is the value of that property? Okay, or let's say you have a Rolex watch, how much is the value of that Rolex watch today if you will sell it? Okay, so doon tayo mag-base. Okay, now ang step 2, meron tayong pwedeng i-deduct. No? So dun sa total, kapag nakuha na natin yung total assets mo, the value of your total assets, minus all the things that you can receive from SSS, no? SSS accrual, separate property of the, ayun. So you need to separate yung assets ng surviving spouse ninyo. Yun. So whatever is the total kanina, yung gross estate divided by 2. Okay, so minus yung matatanggap natin from SSS, yung mga benefits natin, and also if you have life insurance proceeds, pwede mo yun i-minus, hindi yan kasali sa total assets natin. Okay, so this is my tip number 1 on how to hide your assets, no? So you can maximize, take advantage of life insurance instrument. Whatever it is, no, in the insurance, lahat ng ano mo, cash mo na naka-invest, nakalagay sa insurance company, hindi to tax. Make sure na it is yung beneficiary mo dapat naka-assign as irrevocable. Okay? Make sure that naka-irrevocable beneficiary yung heirs mo doon. Because if naka-revocable siya, masasama yung proceeds ng insurance mo, masasama siya doon sa gross estate. Okay, but if it's irrevocable means you cannot change, no? You need the consent from that person, dun kung sino yung na-assign mong beneficiary. Okay, so it means part owner siya ng insurance natin. Okay? Yun. So again, whatever it is nasa insurance na, yung pera natin na nasa insurance or insurance claim, these are mina-minus natin siya sa total gross estate. So one way to hide your estate or your cash, no, is through getting a life insurance policy. So maraming gumagawa nito, especially yung medyo nasa old age na, they get a single premium insurance. Okay, so placement siya, it's an investment. Naka-place lang doon, tapos insured, pwede kung insurable pa kasi we can insure up to age 70. Nakalagay sa name niya, so whenever something happens, automatic nakapasa na yon sa beneficiary. Automatic, so walang taxes. Okay. Yan. So second benefit from taking advantage of insurance is that if you want to make it grow, no. So let's say may nakausap din ako client the other day, sabi niya, whatever is left from me, yun yung pasa ko sa kids ko. But ang question is, do you want to make it grow bigger than what you have right now? If yes, no, I'm sure your answer is, kung sa kayo ba, you want to give more to your kids? If yes, type yes in the chat box. If yes, we can do this also using life insurance, na palakihin natin ang inyong estate. Okay. Okay, so doon tayo sa step 3 na, no? Kanina, step 1 is to identify all your assets. Step 2 is you deduct, minus natin yung mga government benefits and also your insurance proceeds. So step 3, less all the deductibles. So meron tayong deductibles. So iisa-isahin natin to. So if ever the deceased person, meron siyang mga debts, no? May mga utang, no? May mga naka-mortgage yung property or something. Mina-minus na yon, hindi na yon sinasali. So actually kasi we need to pay for it, diba? Yun, minus na siya. And then property previously taxed, no? So you can refer to section 23 of train law. So later ma-discuss din natin what is train law. Okay? So whenever yung mga property natin na tax na before, hindi na siya i-double tax. So pwede natin i-deduct sa total gross estate. And then properties na na-transfer na sa public use. So lately, di ba, maraming mga houses na kukuha ng government because they want to build the skyway, di ba? Marami yun. So that's one example. Okay, so next is family home. Fair market value. What is the value of your family home but not exceed 10 million? Yan. So, kunyari 15M yung value ng family home ninyo, 10M lang yung pwedeng i-deduct. The 5M is kasama siya sa estate tax. Pag-compute ng estate tax. Then next, meron tayong standard deduction na 5 million. Okay, so, minus na ulit yung 5M. Okay? And then, amount received by heirs from the retirement benefit from a private firm. So let's say the deceased person is working in a company, no, na meron siya matatanggap na retirement benefits. Etong fund na to, hindi rin sinasama. We can deduct that. Okay? Yan. Okay, so we can take advantage of that too, no? So for those who have businesses, no, mga private businesses, pwede tayo mag-set up ng retirement fund. Okay? So with that, no, doon mo iniipon yung retirement fund mo sa company, whatever is the total value, syempre retirement malaki rin yun, pwede siya i-minus sa estate, sa gross estate. So this is my tip number 2. Yan, okay. So are we learning? Feel free to type in the chat box, learning. Okay. Next, no, yun. So, now we're done, no? Kanina, nandun na tayo sa step 3. We're now on the step 4. So, pag na-minus na natin lahat yan, you get the net assets, di ba? And then, you multiply it by 6%. Yan. Thank you, Oliver, for confirming learning. Yan, thank you. Yan. So, the net assets, no, multiply by 6%, yan na yung estate tax natin. Okay. Yan. So, itong 6%, no, is based on train law. You can Google it. So yung train law, no, amends section 84 of tax code. Dati kasi if you can remember, 20% no, yung estate tax. Pero nabago ito, no, naging flat rate na lang na 6%. Okay, so with this train law, nakakatuwa, di ba? Parang ay ang galing bumaba yung tax natin, yung estate tax. Kaso lang on the other hand, yung value ng properties natin naman taas ng taas. So kung 6% of the bigger value, malaki din siya. So it is best to really prepare for it. Okay? So with this new law, natanggal yung allowable deductions in medical and funeral and judicial expense. Dati kasi we can deduct that, but now hindi na pwede. But the good news is, no, tumaas yung standard deduction, which is the 5M. Okay. Next, yan. So ngayon, for our additional information, whenever we want to file this estate tax, make sure na magawa natin siya within 1 year. If not, no, magkakaroon ng mga penalty, charges. If that happens, mapapalaki yung estate tax natin, mas mapapa-double whammy tayo. Bigger expense for us. So it is really good na ngayon pa lang, hinahanda na natin siya. Then, estate tax returns with the gross value of 5 million must be certified by a CPA. Okay? And then we can also do partial payment or installment within 2 years. So these are additional information for us. Okay, next. So, tip number 3. No? So kung isipin natin, example, no? Meron tayong, ang net asset natin is around 100 million. Example lang, 100 million. No? So 6% of that is 6M. Diba? 6M. So usually what people do, they set aside the 6M. Meron ba kayong kilala ng ganyan na whatever is the estate tax, sinaset aside nila yon, time deposit na lang. So binibilin sa mga bata, sa mga anak. O ito yung estate tax na babayaran mo. Ganyan. Or others, if ever, no, if walang na-prepare na cash, na liquid, what they do is, naglo-loan sila sa bank. They need to loan that 6 million. So they pay additional interest. No? So medyo costly siya. Okay, so some people do, no, and other people do, they get life insurance worth 6M. Okay, so the premium maybe is around 200 to 300,000 per year. Parang ganyan. Yun. So maliit lang yung contribution mo, meron na nakaset aside na 6M that the insurance company will pay for you. The insurance company will pay for your estate taxes. So this is the power of life insurance. So na-mention natin sa mga previous sessions natin that we can maximize financial instruments for us to benefit, no. Yan. Okay, so that's my tip number 3. Use life insurance proceeds to pay estate tax. So pwede kayo kumuha ng solely isang insurance plan na just for the estate tax. Kasi maraming purposes eh. Pwedeng pang daily needs ng mga kids, pwede pang education plan, pwede pang yun, pang estate tax. So I recommend, no, it's good na meron ka solely one policy for estate tax lang talaga. So nakabilin din siya. Yan, okay. Yan. So, additional information, no, withdrawal from deceased bank's account. Before kasi, 20,000, pwede natin ma-withdraw. Tapos malalak na yun. You need to settle the estate tax first, di ba? Before you can magamit yung pera. Here, now, sa train law, pwede na siyang ma-withdraw basta magbabayad ka lang ng 6% final withholding tax. Yun. So meron tayong bonus tips, no? How do we work on that? Di ba? Work around on that is we create an end or account, di ba? Para ma-access natin yung account ng other person. Hello, Ninang Jo. Thank you for watching. Yan. So next, we can transfer agad. No? So mostly na-encounter natin if ever biglang critically ill na yung isang tao, pinag-transfer na agad yung parang may check na we issue check, fully withdrawn the amount, ganyan. Kapag online naman, right now, online na tayo, no? It's good na meron kang nakalist down na all your passcodes sa isang Excel sheet or Word document, no? Na it can be part of your will na rin, na nandun na lahat ng passwords mo. So if ever biglang may something happens, you can easily withdraw the money. Okay, ayan. Okay, now you know what is estate tax and how to compute for it. Okay, 3 tips on how to prepare for estate tax and secrets in hiding your assets. Yan. So I invite you, no, to give yourself time to list down all your assets, identify your allowable deductions, and check if how much is your net assets and multiply it by 6%. So that is your estate tax. Now, if you need more information and need more guidance, you can reach out to me and I can give you free coaching call for 30 minutes. So I'll put here my link so you can choose your best schedule, no? And we can talk about your current situation, your goals, no, your struggles on wealth transition. Now, yeah, so I'll just put here the link. So as you wait for the link, no, feel free to share your learnings. What are your learnings for today? So what are your insights? Nakaka-relate ba kayo sa discussion natin? Okay. Yeah, so here's the link. And we can talk about your current situation, no? Okay, so yan. Feel free to share your learnings. Okay, sige. So you can PM me rin, no? So whatever your insights today. And would like to invite you next week, no? Ang topic natin is, actually I have a client told me na, actually I'm not ready about transfer, no? About wealth transition. Kasi wala pa naman ako na-accumulate na wealth. Okay, so meron pa ring paraan on that, on how to prepare for it, di ba? Even though if wala pa tayong na-prepare, na-accumulate na wealth. Hello, Samuel, Joanne. Thank you for watching. Okay, yun. So that will be our topic next week. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next week. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you find this helpful, please like and subscribe on my channel. And feel free to share this to your friends. Thank you.